Morning. Good morning. Good morning. Sorry, I was out last week. I was sick. Felt like I was dying, but feeling a little better now. Hopefully, this week is a good week. Headline: 250 million private placement. 20 Bitline. Thought the crypto headline play was well played out. It's a 52-week high on Octo. So it was going to do at this 52-week high level. short this, but I'm not exactly sure when. Just wants to keep going, doesn't it? Oh, wow. Just wants to go. gonna be the time. Oh, we got a double top there. Maybe. Damn. I miss every single move up. Up 360%. see. Try this. Didn't get me in. Huh. There we go. Keep going down. 'Cause your steam. 'Little profit. What was that? 1950. again. Didn't it take my order? Some bullshit. Try shorten again. Let's keep going down. Broke the trend. Now it's going down, which is what we want. Just hope that it continues to go down. That's not what I wanted. It fell. It might be too early for it to fell, though. I was taking all the attention. Hopefully, it keeps it so Octo can fail. Blows right past my order. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. it's hot. Try it again. Oh no. Oh no. Still not ready. Percent. Wow. Wow. high as fuck. Is this a real company? And reverse splits. Oof. Too strong. Too early. Matured it. Just keeps on going, doesn't it? Almost 600% now. God out there. It's just insane.
Hi, morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. Just starting to look. Anything interesting?
Oh, Octo OCTO. It has gone crazy. It's up 640%.
I see that.
It's insane.
Wow. Is it like something you would normally short now, or like you don't want to go against that big of a
Well,
risk?
I tried shorting it one, two, three, four times already,
Oh no.
and each time it hasn't worked out.
Right.
I thought it was the top, but it wasn't, and so now I'm just waiting.
Right. You see, it peaked at 1288, right?
Yeah, 1287, 1288.
It's nuts. Okay. Wow.
I think I've been trading since February, and I think that this is the highest I've ever seen a single stock.
Well, you've been trading only since February?
Yep, I'm still new.
Okay. Okay, so good to find a new because I'm a bit more, but not much more than you since about a few months before.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Do you consider yourself a newbie?
I still do. There's still so
Yeah,
much
I
I don't know.
definitely do. At least I don't feel like I know
Yeah,
anything.
same.
Yeah. Is it an IPO? Because I don't see.
No, it's had a
I
bunch
don't
of
see
reverse
any.
splits though.
Oh, okay. So it looks like it's now, at least on the 1 minute chart, I see that it's consolidating a bit. I don't know.
Yeah, it's I don't know. Every time it does this, it seems to drop a little bit and then just skyrocket.
Go right. Well, is there any news?
This one is a 250 million private placement with an additional 20 million strategic investment into
Okay.
um, uh, create the world's first world coin treasury strategy.
Huh. So it's a crypto thing.
Yeah, it's a crypto play.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna stay away from that one. I don't think so.
Yeah, they invested in some crypto called WorldCoin.
Okay. Wow. Okay, let's see. Octa. Oh, I see why. Because they're like their the strategic investment is from Bitmine, and that that's been, I think
Yeah, BMNR.
Bitmine is more. So like, I think Bitmine is more, not like saying Nvidia invested in you or something, but
Right.
I think I don't know.
BMNR was juicing like crazy last
Yeah.
month.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that makes sense, I guess. Is it is it halted? What's going on?
No,
No. It's because. Oh, okay. Yeah. No. Okay. It's moving. Okay.
gonna be the one to short, but the question is when.
Right. So you've been following what they've been doing, like from what I understand. I mean, I've just joined you guys for the past week or so. Um, so that's the strategy, right? Like to find those pops and then you short it.
Yeah, so I'm learning taquito strategy, which
Right.
you find supply and demand zones, and you play off of those. And so I'm watching because there's a zone at 773 that
Mm-hmm.
price has to come back to,
What?
and I want to see it drop to that, but I'm
Why do
hoping
you
to
think
catch it at the top
there it popped again? Why do you think the price has to come back to that price level to 770?
because there's a demand zone there.
Because it consolidated there.
There was an imbalance.
Okay, so yeah, okay, you don't have to explain. It's okay.
I I'm still learning the
I don't.
strategy, so I don't know
Yeah,
like
yeah,
the why behind it. I just know that price has to come back to that zone. I don't know why,
but you
but
don't.
it does.
Who decided on that zone? Who decided that that was the?
It
Oh,
was created by an imbalance. Holy crap!
how do you define imbalance?
The strong push up. Let's see. Let me share my screen.
Okay, so yeah, I wouldn't know how to even decide that something
Yeah.
is an imbalance.
So these hollow candles that I have on my chart.
Oh, I don't. Wait, I'll watch. Okay, sorry, I was watching my screen.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah, okay, I see the hollow candles.
So those are imbalance candles, and they create whenever there's an imbalance, it creates a zone, which is this zone right here. So there's an imbalance between these two candles right here.
I see. And
And this is based
you,
off of the indicator that Taquito coded.
oh, it's something he coded.
Yeah. So you can see all these zones. Like there's a red zone, which is a demand zone, and green
Right.
are supply zones. And so it has to come back to that zone to balance itself before it can continue going, is
Right.
the theory behind it. But it might break the rules because it is the number one stock of the day, up almost
Right.
1,000% now.
So
And
he just did, yeah. Did he explain the his thinking behind it, or he just gave you the code?
he gave me the code, but he's explained it to me a couple times. I just still am wrapping my head around it.
Okay.
So
So you were saying,
each
sorry, I didn't mean to
zone.
interrupt
Oh
you.
no, you're
Yeah.
good. So each zone, price has to come back to it eventually. It may not be today, but it has to come back to that zone eventually
Okay.
to balance itself. And so my hope is that it will fail and come all the way back down to this zone at
Right.
least. But
So
the way
you're
it's
showing every
juicing,
time. Yeah. Sorry.
I don't know that it's going to
Yeah.
be today.
Yeah.
But no, I don't short it every time it starts to fail. I was trying it in these areas. So this candle, I got $19.50 off of this candle on a
Okay.
short. But then I jumped back in thinking it was going to continue to drop down. Got out because it went back up. And then I got back in and it went back up. And then I tried it one more time after this candle because it was showing red when I got in, and then it spiked back up, and so I got back out. And then I've just been watching it since.
Okay.
Wow, look at that rejection from
Okay.
1844 to 1523.
Is this a 3 minute?
Yeah, I'm on a
Or
3 minute chart.
oh, how come?
That's what Taquito told me to use.
Oh, the taquito thing, right?
Yeah.
I gotta learn. So, but generally, it's successful for you. It's good for you.
Yeah.
This strategy.
It cuts out a lot of the noise. So, like on the 1 minute,
Yeah.
there's just a lot of noise. Like these three candles right here, like, yeah,
Yeah.
it's it's gone up, but it also came right back down. But on the 3 minute, it just looks much cleaner.
Right. I see. Okay.
But I'm paper trading, trying to learn the strategy. So even though I've taken some
Take
losses,
some
it
time.
doesn't really matter.
Right. You're not doing an evaluation yet, or
No, I blew up my account and then decided that I was going to learn taquito strategy. So my plan is to paper trade taquito strategy for a couple of months to try and really wrap my head around it, and then I'll get another evaluation.
Hey,
nice.
good morning.
Hi.
Good morning, Parker.
Aren't you supposed to be on vacation?
I am. I leave tonight, and
Oh, okay.
so I thought that my weekend was going to be super busy, but I had Sunday off for some reason. I'm like, oh, okay. And my daughter was like, I'm just gonna stay over here with my cousin. I was like, oh, okay. So
Okay.
I got a lot of my stuff packed.
Nice.
So yeah,
Where you going on vacation to?
I'm going to Dominican Republic.
Oh, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, enjoy some sun over there.
It's gonna be a very nice, much needed break.
Yeah, yeah. Well, hey, it's not gonna be a break. I'm taking my laptop. I like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the experience of trading elsewhere besides my desk. So I will be doing some trading,
Now
but if I
you
was,
gotta do it from the beach.
yeah,
You gotta be
yeah,
in the
where there's no
sand.
Wi-Fi.
Yeah. I uh
Yeah.
I was on a trip to Florida, and it was a work trip, and I ended up working from the beach. I turned on the hotspot on my phone, so I had
Oh yeah.
internet, and it was awesome to just sit on the beach and work.
Nice.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. Yes.
Unless, if you take losses, it can ruin your vacation a bit, no?
You said what?
If you take losses, it can ruin your vacation a bit.
Oh yeah.
I don't know how you could be sad when you're in the Dominican Republic.
I was just gonna say like um there's really no way. I mean, unless like it rains, but like I'm there for a week, so there's got to be like some sunny days, you know. But
Yeah.
yeah, no. So I'll be leaving tonight. My flight leaves at 5 a.m. Tuesday, so yeah, I'll be leaving tonight then. So speaking of hot though, market today is popping.
Did you see Octo almost 1,000%?
Yeah. I took two losses on it already.
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Yeah. I took two losses. Right there at both of them at the consolidation areas. I was like, dude, this is they're not gonna push this. Sure enough, they pushed it. And I mean, solid push. So looking at the daily chart, right? Solid push at this failed at 488, and I was like, okay. And when it failed right there, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start adding right here. And then it pushed through, and I was like, oof, tough. Small position, all right. So I was like, all right, cool. I'll give it a dollar's worth like of risk, right? Give it room to kind of test it, fail it, test it again, fail it. Nope, it went straight to 550, and I was like, jeez. Then I was like, well, I'm gonna go ahead and trade my trade now. Waited. It got up to um, where's this area right here? I can't even see it. I gotta readjust my chart. Um, adjust, adjust. Okay, so yeah, so then um, it topped out at 834, and it kind of did this dip. It went and it topped out, and I was like, okay, maybe this is the top now. I can get right underneath this little dip here. Nope, that wasn't the top either. So I was like, jeez,
Yeah, I took
crazy.
4 different entries, and only one was profitable by $20, but the next three wiped out then that entire gain. I
And
was
I feel like
shorting it.
this is gonna be oh, you were shorting?
Yeah.
Oh, snap.
Yeah. I should have been going long as much as it's been juicing. I've been here since 7 a.m.
Oh, yeah.
So you went long on it?
Should have.
No, I should have.
Oh, but you didn't.
Yeah.
No, but Parker, you went long on it?
No, I was short.
No. Oh, you also went short. Okay.
Oh yeah, this thing is up. I mean, it's up. It's up 900%. But before it was up like 400 or 500. So I was like, yeah, this is definitely got to be the top. Nope, they're squeezing it. So and 746. Pare, good day to you.
You here?
I thought he popped in. Oh, no, he left.
Oh, I got streamer mode on so I don't hear the join and leave notifications.
Yeah. So other than that, doing a little trade this morning here, and if not, then I'm just gonna be done and continue packing and get my stuff ready to go. Is it this one? No, it's not this one. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Okay. And I think they overpumped this one. Um, Octo has news about they have a $250 million private placement.
I thought the crypto play
Um,
was gonna be over.
mm, I mean, I thought so too, but I mean, they do have a private placement though. This
True.
in addition to 20 million the strategy for the Bitmine, they do
Yeah.
have that, but they do have a $250 million placement. So once that's over with, that's it. The stock is done, and I think they overhyped it.
Yeah. It's a crazy mover.
Yeah. See if they start selling these things off, selling it off before market open. I can move these lines now. That's resistance. They blew right past resistance. All three of them that I had marked up.
Good morning.
Morning.
Hey, Val. Good morning.
Hey, Parker. I
Morning,
thought
Val.
you were on holiday. Hi, Vivian. Hi, Jake.
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh,
I will be.
oh, yeah. You just couldn't resist.
Yeah. No, for sure.
How are we all? Have you seen? Look at Octo. My goodness.
Yeah.
Ah,
Talk of the town.
yeah. I wish I'd seen that earlier. I think I'm a bit late to the party now.
But it seems every time you think you're late, it still goes up. Like I
Yeah,
saw it at 7 or 8, and I thought that was it.
just
Double
insane.
since then.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I did. I saw it then. So it was, what was it? Then about 400%. And I thought, oh, well, you know, see what that looks like a little bit later. And then I've just thought, right, I'm ready to come on now. And it's at 1,000%. Oh, incredible.
Crazy.
Yeah. Has anyone traded anything today yet?
Took
Octo.
4 short positions on Octo.
Did you say you're short on Octo, Eddie?
Took 4 short positions. One worked out, the other 3 didn't, and wiped out my gain.
Yeah. I can see how that could have happened. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, gosh. Oh. But you're flat on the day now.
I'm down like $100.
Oh, okay. Sorry to hear that.
It's all good.
Parker, have you traded?
Octo. I took 2 losses.
Oh, oh, okay. I'm sorry. I've just launched in here talking about it. I should have
No, you
said
good. No, no,
first.
you good.
First of all, I should have said, "Has anyone traded today?"
No, no, you good. No, no, I traded Octo. Same thing. I was in it when it was up 400 or 500%. I traded it on the first consolidation and the second one, and both times ripped through both of them. So
Yeah. Yeah.
yeah, so it's a tough one.
Yeah. Yeah. I see that. Gosh, what to do with that? Looks a bit tricky to trade now. Are we all attending the Q&A later?
No, I won't. I won't be there.
No.
I'm thinking about it. I want to see if anybody brings up the discussions from funding discuss.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too. They're gonna have some seriously good news in this. He said 3 announcements, as you know, to kind of offset the feeling around that.
What happened in funding?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
gosh.
Bunch of drama.
About what, not getting paid out or what?
Kind of.
Mm.
It's basically them changing the rules on the fly.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so basically, Parker, what's happening is, unless they change their mind, is that when you roll over your profits, when you scale,
Uh-huh.
those profits, so I'll just do some easy math here. So if you rolled over $1,000, so you scaled up, you hadn't taken the payout, your 70% or whatever your split is put into the new account.
Uh-huh.
The previous understanding, so let's say that was $1,000. Previous understanding for all the traders I have heard from, including myself, is that $1,000 was protected. It's already been split, and at your next payout request, $1,000 is entirely yours.
Uh-huh.
It looks like now that if on day one of your new uh, um, buying power account, so let's say it's your first time rolling over, so you're on buying power 2,
Uh-huh.
if on that day you go $1,000 in the red and then make it back, that will no longer count as fully protected profits because you dipped into it. So that thousand is now considered new profits, so is subject to the split again.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's not going down very well, as you can imagine. And apparently, and I don't know if this is true, I've never seen it. Apparently, when you get funded, you get a pop up sort of terms and conditions in your
Uh-huh.
hub. Um, I definitely didn't get one on this 5K that I passed. I don't remember getting one on the 80, but I won't say for certain that I didn't. Maybe I did. But apparently, in there is something to that effect. And even though it has never worked that way. We all know it hasn't. Um, Apparently, that's how it was meant to work.
Mm.
Yeah. And this is not something that affected you anyway, but the new accounts, the Flex and Max, when you scale up, one of the features of those accounts was you get back your max loss allowance, which, as you can imagine, is particularly useful on a small account like mine because it scales at $500. So getting that back, it was basically like starting your funding again from day one because it's a new account. So that made sense. The removing that as well. So when you scale up, you don't get that back anymore.
That's it's a little shiesty.
Yeah, and for some reason they're doing a 3-year anniversary event today, and they've sort of they haven't made these announcements. Traders are just finding out as they go to request payouts. They're finding out,
Uh-huh.
oh, no, you can't have that because you dipped into your rolled over money, etc. So it's not been announced yet, but the event today, I presume, is meant to be good and positive announcements. So I'm surprised at the timing of enforcing this how it was meant to be rule, because I think it's going to take the shine off whatever they're going to announce today, which I genuinely don't know what the announcements are going to be.
Yeah.
Well, I'm pretty certain that one of them will be about the 8% rule, which I think you'll be pleased on that. But again, I don't know that that's one of the announcements today, so we'll see.
Well,
What's the 8% rule?
Oh,
What is the 8? Yeah.
Vivian, it's everybody's favorite rule. You must surely have heard about it.
I only joined 2 weeks ago. That's it. I don't know nothing.
Yeah, no, it's just that it's kind
The
of.
bane of our existence.
I'll let Eddie tell you.
so
I
you
don't.
know what? No, just show up to the Q&A. Trust me, you will know what the 8% rule is.
Sorry,
Oh,
I can't
oh.
even explain it. I just know that it sucks.
Yeah, so the
Yeah.
8% rule is that you're not allowed to take a position on a stock that has moved 8% or more in the last 4 minutes, which would make,
In the last 4 minutes.
yeah, exactly. So, Octo, any gains you get on this, the chances are, well, I don't know. I haven't been watching it, but I'm guessing it's done more than 8% in the last 4 minutes. Um, so,
But it's not pre-market though. It's only intraday.
no, yeah, that's true. It doesn't account. It doesn't apply. It never applied to pre-market and after hours, and also didn't apply to the 5K account at all, even in regular hours, nor the old um, 20K limited edition account, which you can no longer buy, but some traders still have.
So during regular hours, if a stock trades it goes up or down 8% in 4 minutes, then you can't. Any trades after that are like they don't count.
Well, no, not necessarily after it's done that. So basically, it's a rolling 4 minutes. So each time you wanted to take a trade on it, you would have to check, has it moved 8% in the last 4 minutes? And it doesn't stop you from trading it, but when they review it, they would deny that profit if you had made a profit on it. Like Parker was saying, though, it doesn't apply in the pre-market now, but yeah, in the regular hours. But that's one of the things I think is going to be announced today, that there's been a change to that. Um, I think for the better, but I'm not sure because I haven't. I did sign up for the testing group for it. They had an announcement to ask for people to test some new rule to possibly replace the 8% rule. And I did sign up for it, but then I didn't bother giving my account number because I just thought, oh, I can't be bothered because it doesn't apply to me anyway in my account. So, um, and the funny thing on that, Parker, this new rule, a few after, there was a trader, I think there was more than one in the group that had reached target and then got back from customer service that they'd broken the 8% rule. And he was like, I'm in the testing group. It doesn't
Yeah,
apply to me.
yeah, yeah, and stupid, just stupid. And that's what I'm saying. Like, why is that even in a rule?
Well, I agree, totally agree. Oh my God, look at Octo in the time we've been talking. It's at
Hmm.
1170%.
Yeah.
I've never seen a stock juice this much. Like,
Yeah.
granted, I've only been
Oh,
trading
really?
since February, but
Oh man.
I've never. This is the first time seeing a 1,000% runner.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
it's
think
exciting.
this is like my third or fourth time seeing one like this.
Yeah, I think I saw. Was it Holo? Did Holo do? Holo did 1,000%, didn't
Yep.
it?
Holo
Yeah.
did 1,000%. No, I remember my first one was Tops, TOPS,
Oh
TOPS.
yeah. Yeah.
Dude, that thing ran. It was literally at $4. Eddie, I kid you not. I was sitting there watching it. It ran to $100. One
Holy
hundred.
shit!
$4 to 100.
I would lose
And
it.
I dude, and I was like, what? What in the is going on? Dude, they are juicing. When I say juice, I'm talking about it literally like halt, 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 halt. It'll slam down, and every time it slammed down super hard, it recatches the balance and it keeps going and going and going and going. It topped out at 100 flat. Yep,
That's
yep.
not
And then
juice. That's rocket fuel.
yeah,
Yeah, that's
and then they diluted it. Yeah, that company they killed it. Yeah, because they were talking about it. It was like, dude, there was no like dilutive or anything or like SEC stuff going on. but they came up with something. They came up with something, and they absolutely killed this stock. So Tops was my first one, and then Holo did the same thing. I think Holo went to like 80. It
Wow.
was like a $3, $4 stock, and it went to 80. It's like, dude, what is going on? So, yep,
I wish we could have runners like that every day.
yeah.
Well, I bet Ross Cameron's having a nice day.
Oh, for sure.
Gosh, I've got a load of lines here. I must have traded this before Octo. So, what we all watching for today, or need I ask?
Yeah. Um, well, Octo was one for sure. I do have Forward on my list, and I do have RAPP on my list too. Hour is another one that went ahead and continued off after its after last week last week. So um definitely have those on my watch to see what happens with those.
I have other tickers on my list, but they're not doing anything. So Octo's the main one for me.
Are you looking to short Octo, Parker?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's overplayed.
Where are you looking?
Weakness. That's what I'm looking at. Weakness.
I've
Going
never
a
really.
little right now.
I wanted this right here. I wanted this right here, but I'm so scared of that pop.
Yeah.
That pop is gonna be fearful.
You think they're gonna dilute today?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, yeah, absolutely. No doubt about it. It doesn't even say on dilution tracker how much cash they have, but I'm gonna assume that it's short. Um, it says estimated net cash is -8. Let's see. Mm, Let's see if they
Sorry, dilution? What?
want I want to see if they have any shelves. Um, oh, they have a shelf capacity for 4 million, but that's nothing. Well, I mean, if they put that with if they put that with one of these principal amount. This is 250. That's 50. That's 50. They can't do that. Uh,
So Viv, they could do a an offering, which would tank the stock,
yeah,
and that would be the dilution.
yeah,
So Octo would do that? Are you talking about Octo?
Yeah.
yeah. Here's the thing. They already have a private placement set for 250 million. So it has
Right.
not been announced. It has not been announced that has like been closed. Once it's been announced, you're gonna see this stock tank. Once it's been closed where it's at, it's going to start tanking. It's two types of ways of it tanking. Either one is going to be a it's going to drop from wherever it's at. Let's say it's at right now it's at 16. If they did it right now, this stock would drop from 16 probably back to like $8, $7. Or the the other tanking would be is it'll just start selling off where there's no pullbacks. It'll just trickle until it gets back to $5, $4, wherever it needs to go. So
But you don't know that they're going to announce a dilution. You're just assuming
yeah,
they will.
yeah, we don't know that until it comes out. But a stock like this, we've seen it more than enough times where they run the stock up on the day, and if it's up
Okay.
enough, the company would be like, "Well, hey, this is more than enough. We're gonna go ahead and dilute it, and it'll drop."
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Just like
Yes.
what was the stock last week? They did that for. It was it was pineapple or it was hour. Which one did they do it for?
I can't
No,
remember. Aren't
was it
private
was it
placements normally good news though?
for the company? Yeah.
No, I mean I can't. I've never seen private placements cause them to tank.
Really?
Oh, is that? Oh, is that not what you meant?
Oh, no. Private placements they do. Look at go look at PAPL. That's the one that I was talking about last week.
But that's why it's running, isn't it? Because of the news. That news is out already of the private placement.
Right, but once again, they have not announced that it's been closed. So you put out the news of saying that hey, the company has a $250 million private placement. which means that somebody is investing in the company. That's what the private placement is. Hey, I
Yeah.
got 250 million, so they're going to run this stock up. And then once the stock is up at a certain amount, they're going to dump. They're going to dump it to get their money out. Go to PAPL and then look at the news. Look at the news on PAPL. Pineapple Financial launches $100 million digital asset, right? And then they had a 3.8 private placement offering.
Yeah. When was it?
This is Friday.
Oh, it was on Friday, was it? Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I wasn't sure if when you make these investments, if there is a time period for when you can get out or not.
You're talking about on the when they place the offering, or
No, this private placement, someone's put 250 million investment into it.
well, I mean they want to see how much they can get out of it, just like any other company. I mean they're there to get paid, right? So private placement is basically I'm giving you 250 million for for shares or whatever whatnot. But you're talking about a stock that it's over 1,000%. Why wouldn't they do that today? When what's the average? If you look at the average, right? The average on this well now trading was VWAP is $9.
Uh,
But
we,
but you see where it was before. The average for it was where is this as $1.45. So you're talking about for $1.45 trading average, and it's skyrocketed to almost $9. I wouldn't unless they know for a fact that they're going to push this stock even higher than that. I don't see why they wouldn't do it today.
yeah, I don't think I understand private placements and offerings very well. I just
Oh,
know the private placements generally um, seem to be a good catalyst, but I wasn't aware that once it was what did you say, it was closed.
hmm
Yeah, that then it would go down.
yeah,
When
no, no.
no,
Here,
oh,
don't get me wrong. Private placements are good. It's good for the company. They're raising money. That's what that is. But once it's closed and done, it's like an offering. It's over with. Like the money has been raised. Both parties got like their amounts, and it's done. It's over with. So once they announce that the money has been raised and the private placement is closed, there's no need to kind of be in the play anymore. It's done and over with. The hype is over with. So yeah, so don't think that it's not a good thing. It's a very good thing for the company.
oh, yeah, yeah. No, I understand that. I know it's a good thing for them. I didn't really know about this when they announced that it's closed.
Oh yeah, sometimes they announce it, sometimes they don't. But I mean, normally when a stock drops on news like that, more than likely it means that they've closed on their investment, their private placement. So
Where do you find that out? That news?
well, sometimes they announce it, sometimes they don't. It's just like for instance, Pineapple PAPL. They announced it on Weibo. It says Pineapple Financial shares raise 100 million, private placement closed.
Okay.
Yeah. So sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. And then once they announce that, that's when you look at that chart. It is at 913. It tanked all the way back down to 6. matter of fact, and it trickled the rest of the day back down to 590.
Oh, okay, interesting. Hey, good morning, Jeffrey.
What is
Good
this?
morning.
Morning.
How you
Morning.
doing? How you guys doing?
Good, good. How are you?
Doing fine. I just need to get this coffee in me before the market opens up in the next 10 minutes.
Coffee is always good.
I'm just going to assume that Octo probably not going to trade this for the first like 15, 20 minutes out the gate.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh no, I'm going to hit the button as soon as the bell rings. I'm not really.
I'm gonna start looking at probably rap. They got some positive. They have positive news on their Caesar treatments. So and I see a lot of HC rain white on their thing. So I'm going to assume they might do some dilution today too. Let me just check. Uh,
Good old HC Wainwright.
oh, this is a real company. 4 billion market cap. Mm,
Who? Rap?
I may not trade that.
Did you say rap?
Yeah, RAPP.
No, I don't. I don't have that. I have float 17 million, market cap 524.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the
That,
dilution on there?
now hang on. Well, that's just on the scanner. Let's see what it says. No, it's not it. Yeah. So this is one of those that seems like we don't know because it's not on my other scanner, which suggests it's outside of that. Let me just check Edgar. Market cap and what's EV? What's enterprise value? Well, whatever it is, it says the market cap is 524 million on Ask Edgar, but it says the enterprise value is 3.62 billion.
Yeah. Okay.
I was wondering if that was related to the outstanding as opposed to the float, but it's not because it would only be double. Float is 17 and outstanding is 36. I don't know.
So EV, what is that? That's estimated value?
Enterprise value. It's a term I've
Oh,
not heard before. I don't know what it means.
oh, I thought it was estimated value. Okay. Yeah, well, whatever. All right.
Yeah.
It sounds like a bigger company anyways. Ford is up there too, but let me see. Why is Ford running today?
So Finviz says float 17 million, outstanding 36 million. Oh, seems to be a market cap there.
Hmm.
59% institutional ownership as well. Still talking about RAP here, by the way, not Ford, sorry.
Ford Industries expand
Oh,
with a 1.6 billion private placement to boost. Wow,
oh,
yeah,
market cap
crypto play.
524. we're rambling away about two different stocks here, aren't we?
Oh yeah, sorry. I went to Ford right quick to see what was going on.
Yeah, no,
Um,
it's okay. It's okay.
so I'm gonna assume that Ford is probably gonna run too, and if Ford runs, then Octo is probably gonna start dying off. I wouldn't even buy that. I wouldn't even go long on that, anyways, because it's already gapped up 92%.
Is Ford is $31? Oh,
Hmm. Yeah, it has a float. It has a float here of 1.5 million. So, okay. Well, crypto's back in action. $20.
right, Octo fans, resist the temptation to press the button when it goes wild in less than a minute.
I think there's going to be a bunch of profit taking.
Yeah, there always is.
So I'm in short just to test this theory out. Market open, it's gonna tank with profit taking. We'll see.
Here we go.
Show me the
There
money!
we go.
Oh, okay. Maybe not, Eddie.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh. Oh dear.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's scary. That's scary. And then what is Ford? Ford is doing what? Let's see. Nothing yet.
Well,
I'm
that is
I'm
the.
down $568 now.
Oh dear. I hope you're still paper trading, Eddie.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, good. Thank goodness for that. Oh.
Um,
Yeah, maybe they don't always tank at the open after all. But I would have said the same. Was it halted?
yeah. Let's see what hour is doing over here because it already topped out at 595 and it gapped right at the top there. So
Well, looks like it's not coming back for my entry, so I'll cancel that order.
690. Is an overall top, and then if it passes 690, that's it. We're going to $10. Ugh. Ugh. Hour just halted as well.
Anyone looking at XAIR?
No, not currently.
Oh, I am now though.
Yep. What you trading, Jeffrey?
Got the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and Microsoft today.
Ah, yeah, you're over on what we call the sunny side, aren't you?
Yeah, landmine.
Your go-tos.
Yep, all the time.
Yeah.
All the time.
Duo is back on the chart. all in the green today. Very nice. Okay, open back up on a gap down. There goes the flush. And we are down to 17.
Is it halted?
Hold it down, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Indeed so. Ford is now halted down. 3 out of 4 stocks are halted on my. Come on, Rap. You gotta get halted too.
I think that only leaves XAIR now then for trade of any interest. If they're all halted. To the one on the scanner here that had halted GLXG, but didn't actually see it earlier. Octo hour GLXG. GLXG. Oh. Oh. What? That may, oh. I think that must be a buyout or something. That looks really weird. Yeah, I can't make any sense of that. Ignore that.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Our halted, but it halted down now. Oh, well, shucks. Didn't even see that. That happened super fast. Okay, Octo is unhalted.
Yeah, so 36, so 4104. So remember to wait a minute before you enter if you're going to. 4204 would be the minute or thereabouts.
Man, I'm finna enter right now. 18,000 shares.
Yeah, I dare you, Parker. Parker.
These are 11% moves anyway. 10%, 6%. I just needed to consolidate. That's all I need.
Has it halted again?
Mm-hmm.
I can't find a good entry. How are you doing on it, Eddie?
Um, I'm down like almost $1,000. So I'm done.
Ah, okay.
Just watching.
That's yeah. You're gonna sort of pretend trade by just drawing lines on where you now.
Yeah, just
Yeah,
mental.
yeah.
Everything's telling me I should go long, but I know that once I go long, it's not going to work out.
Yeah. Where's Pari today?
Oh,
That's a good question. What's that look like in a 5 minute? Oh, that's the right candle.
Hey Vivian, how's your day going? Are you still looking at large caps? I know we were talking last week on Friday.
No,
You
no,
were in.
I've been really trying to look into small caps like for a while now. Just it all seems so crazy, and the movements are intense. So, and I still don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I haven't done anything today yet. That's the
Yeah, yeah. So you thinking that you're gonna try the? Didn't you say on Friday you were trading the large caps?
no. I was before, but because of I'm trying to you know. Anyways, it didn't work out very well,
Mm.
the large caps. So let's see if I'm doing better in the small caps.
Yeah, yeah, good. Well, that's what you've got to do when you're starting out. Find something that speaks to you, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. This seems very erratic.
Oh,
nothing
yeah.
beats the rush of a small cap stock that's moving.
Yeah. That's why we call it the dark side, Vivian. You probably
Yes.
probably make sense now. Yeah. Um, I've got a meeting in an hour and 10 minutes, by the way. So if I suddenly disappear, that's why. Because sometimes if people are talking, I don't want to interrupt, so I just disappear, and then I think, oh, they probably think, oh, that was a bit rude that she didn't say where she was going. So yeah, and then I'll be well. Hopefully that won't last that long, but then we've got that event 12, haven't we? 12 market time.
I don't think anyone would think you're rude.
No, thank you.
Are you kidding me? Val's the rudest person I know.
I know. Come
Right.
on, don't tell anyone that, Eddie.
There we go. There we go. Hour just opened up.
Are you looking for a trade on that, Parker?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um. I
Don't
hope we
forget to
can.
wait a minute. I know you know, but I always like to.
Yeah, but I mean, still, I'm not gonna be able to place a trade on this, anyways.
Oh, oh my goodness! Look at that! Wow. Oh, okay. Has it halted again?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. It's over with. It already claimed. It
yeah.
already had a bounce here, and then this bounce failed. So, oh, it didn't hold.
Oh, oh, okay. Looked like it, didn't it?
Yeah, somebody must have bought those shares at 470.
Right. Wow.
All
Where's
right, chat. I'm gonna call it here. I
is this a
down
5 minute
almost
candle? Okay.
$1,000
Let's have a look.
Huh?
because I
Let's
was
have a look
dumb,
at it. How much it's up lately?
and
Oh,
yeah.
It would be considered a
So
third
I'm gonna
candle,
call it here.
but
I'm
overall
gonna
it traded
go work
in.
on the
Yeah,
trading
it had to
journal,
bounce all the way up
and we'll be back tomorrow.
where it topped out at on Friday.
So have
So
a good one. Good luck on your
oh, I
trades.
didn't
Hope
mean
they work out.
today. I meant sort of soon. Generally
We will
looking at.
see you tomorrow. Have a good
oh, I
one.
mean, depending on where